let's start with the name. So PAIR stands for Providence AI and Robotics Lab. It's an initiative of the Department of Mathematics and Computer Science. We just started the lab this term. It's being led by myself and also by Professor Marwan Abdelatti. The main focus of our lab is to share and promote research on topics such as computer vision, ethics and AI, parallel computing, digital twins, and so on. And the way we chose the name PAIR is because we want to emphasize collaborations between humans and machines. And also we face all kinds of dualities in computer science, starting with the binary system itself of zeros and ones, the concepts of virtual versus physical systems, and so on. Plus, the lab started with a pair of faculty members.
Artificial intelligence and robotics are now expanding across the nations, across the world, and we need to have this here in Providence College because we need to teach this or transfer this trend to the students. So once the students get graduated from the PC, they already know what's artificial intelligence, how to integrate the robotic systems into with artificial intelligence algorithms, how these algorithms are working. And instead of just theoretical ideas, we need them to get practical or hands-on experience with this.
Many articles we read about AI are overwhelmingly positive. We often hear that AI is able to do this, AI bill is able to do that, but it's not always the case. So we have this false feeling that AI can do whatever we want, but at PAIR Lab we want to make sure that our students understand that AI and robotics are just tools that needs to be used to contribute to a better society. So both Professor Marwan and I, we have extensive backgrounds in robotics, AI and autonomous systems. I've worked with different platforms over the last few years, from underwater vehicles to ground vehicles, and we should expect to see some applications involving computer vision for environmental monitoring, autonomous sampling, autonomous navigation, and digital twins.
The lab has been established after many years of shared interest between myself and Paulo. Each one was separately researching these fields in our universities. I was at URI, Paulo was at FIU. So then when we met together here at Providence College, we decided why not we just combine our efforts here. So we imagined our lab to be like a melting pot here at PC. So we put our experience and we help our students to understand or absorb this experience and build on it. So from one point we expand our research that we have done before during our PhDs and postdoc, and build on it to get to go far with this.
I think the most important concept is to bridge this gap between what students learn in the classroom and how they can use those skills into real-world applications in robotics and AI. Also, we want our students to envision AI and robotics not merely as algorithms and machines, but as tools for them to build good application for our society.
For our students here, so the first thing we need is the practical experience. So instead of just learning theoretical concepts about artificial intelligence or robotics, we need to have them actually have have their hands dirty in the job. So they build robotics by themselves. They learn how to develop high-performing algorithms or advanced algorithms running on GPUs. And we have already equipped our PAIR lab with some of these hardware, so the students can melt the snow between what they have learned in the classroom and what they will see in the industry. So they learn, make mistakes. There is no problem with this. Even they can burn some circuits. We don't mind with this. But eventually, we need to have them learn the practical part, and with the robust mathematical or theoretical background as well.
So primarily, since we are at the Department of Mathematics and Computer Science, students from the math students and CS majors can join us, but this is open for other students as well at Providence College. So feel free to stop by Holly Hall, second floor, room 218. If you don't have the time to go there, please feel free to reach out through our PC emails, and we're going to be more than happy to answer your questions. Later this term, we are planning to launch this website to share our activities, our research, to also promote collaboration with other departments here at Providence College, and hopefully you can learn more about that soon.